If you go to the market, you talk to the Chinese provider for the outdoor UPS system with the 120 volts or something. It's kind of AC power. We'll find actually you have a limited choice here. The reason is their business philosophy of the Chinese provider. They simply push whatever they are successfully in Chinese market to the overseas market. But you see that in China, the AC power is 220 and 50 hertz, while in Western Earth, in United States, in Latin America, what your power standard is 110, 120 volts AC, right? And the frequency is 60 hertz. So they will not develop the devices especially for your standards. They will use what their devices very popular in China and sell all over the world. So that's the reason that you cannot find easily the 110, 120 outdoor UPS from the Chinese providers. Edgeware's philosophy is different. We focus on overseas market. We never focus on Chinese market. So we receive the requirement from the overseas market from different countries. So our products is faced to your requirement, not the really China mainland's requirement. So the philosophy is different. So we have different kind of solutions that it's very, it's very strange for the Chinese provider why we develop this kind of devices. The reason is we really hear from our customers from overseas markets. We don't care about the Chinese market. We hear from the overseas market. We make products especially for the overseas market.